Good game.
Good game.
Hey, like you said, you must be watching the tapes.
Yeah, I've been practicing.
Cool. Well, you're
I asked
scoring.
my wife to at least play me 2 5-minute games every night.
Oh, wow.
So that's been helping.
Well, hey, yeah, we got somebody to play against. It helps, honestly, at least on the defense.
Good, man. I tell you what.
What?
She can turn that guy so hard. They fly off the board all the time with her.
Oh, the players?
She can flick that rod so hard.
Wow. Hey, maybe she'd go for the all-girls squad or something like that. You never know. Well, it's the old, you know how that is, the old deal. Whoa. Yeah, I'll try that too. Nice.
4 minutes.
Oh. Whoa. Oh.
13 again.
Yeah, I could have been. I was open there. I got a goal. Oh. Got through. Whoa. That was
3 minutes.
It's like, ah! It caught me by surprise a little.
Ah.
2 minutes.
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, I think it's by both of us. Oh, you broke that one up. I was thinking, hey, on my way. Oh, yeah! Woo! Finally, even was a cheeky.
One minute.
Whoa.
Ah.
Whoa.
30 seconds.
Oh.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3,
Stop!
2.
I'll take the tie. 1-1.
He's calling it at 2 seconds.
Yep, almost did it again. Almost got another plug.